This week, jobs and inflation data has been the spotlight both here and in the US, while the Australian reporting season rolls on with some solid results from blue chip names. I'm Michael Molseed, Head of Institutional Portfolio Management here at Morningstar, and welcome to this week's Market Minute, a short summary of what's been happening in financial markets and how we're positioning portfolios. It was a busy week on the economic front, with jobs and CPI data released in the US. Non-farm employment grew 0.6% in January, showing a bounce back from a sharp decline that had been seen late last year. This saw the unemployment rate moderate slightly to 4.4%, having peaked in December. Meanwhile, core CPI increased 3.6% on an annualised basis in January, although that month tends to see seasonally elevated results due to calendar year price increases. Despite these positive data, the bond markets are still predicting about a 60% probability of a Fed rate cut when the Fed Reserve meets in June. Meanwhile, Australia also reported a headline unemployment rate of 4.1%, which was steady. All eyes will be on the CPI data, which will be released next week. Bond markets here are pricing in no change in the official cash rate at the RBA's next meeting in March. Turning to equity markets, we saw solid results out of some big blue chip names during the Australian earnings reporting season. National Australia Bank reported a 16% increase in first quarter profit on the back of improved net interest margins, lower loan impairments, and solid cost control. Telstra also reported a better than expected result on strong cost control and lifted its interim dividend. In terms of Morningstar's portfolios, in an uncertain world, we aim to position the portfolios to be able to deliver in a range of scenarios. We look to achieve this by utilising valuation discipline and ensuring a diversity of portfolio return drivers. As market leadership changes, we think volatility under the hood will provide the opportunity to sift through mispricing opportunities to set up future performance. Well, that's it for this week. We look forward to seeing you next Friday.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your objectives, financial situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.